Last class discussed about the respiratory system in fishes. So fishes are the agnatha animals, gnathostomata animal. First jaws containing animals are included in the fishes. Fishes general character, classification, respiratory system is discussed. So now today I am discussing about the blood circulatory system in Scoliodon. So blood circulatory system is basically classified into four main categories. They are of number one blood, heart, arterial system, venous system. Four important parts are present in the blood circulatory system of any animal. So now the first is the blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. So this fluid connective tissue contain the RBCs, WBCs, thrombocytes, other minerals are there. It is separate subject is there. We are discussing later. But here major important is the heart. So the fish's heart is called as venous heart. It means fish's heart is called two-chamber heart. What chamber? Two-chamber heart is but in the fishes. So what chamber is there? Two-chamber. That is the two important chambers are there. That is a single auricle, a single ventricle. Two-chamber heart is there. But basically four important parts are there. That is sinus venosus, auricle, ventricle, truncus arteriosus. The first and last, sinus venosus, truncus and other parts of the heart, but basically heart is made by only two chamber, auricle and ventricle. So now here in this figure, this is the auricle, this is the ventricle, this is the truncus arteriosus. So now observe, different part of the animal body, blood is collecting. Blood is what blood? Deoxygenated blood is collecting different part of the animal body through a pair of ductus cavarium. Ductus cavarium. So a pair of ductus cavariums are deoxygenated blood is collecting from different part of the animal body. The collected blood is introduced into the auricle. So here introduced into the sinus venosus. Sinus venosus is open into the auricles. So now here auricle is a very very important. So why? Because auricle walls are made by very thin wall when we are compared to the ventricle. So this is the auricle, a single auricle there receive the deoxygenated blood is received. So auricle is recommunicated to the ventricle through a auriculoventricular aperture. Through a auriculoventricular aperture. So after communication in ventricle, so ventricle is very very important. Cone shape is containing ventricle. So thin walls are there in the ventricle. So it is a distributing chamber. Auricle is the collecting chamber. Ventricle is the distributing chamber. Through the ventricle, what happens here? A big blood vessel is origin. That is truncus arteriosus. When it is extended to different part of the animal body, so it contains the two important walls are there. That is the accessory walls as well as necessary walls are there. Through these walls, blood is regulating from incoming and outgoing. So when it is blood is passed, goes to the along with truncus arteriosus. So now observe here, fifth and fourth pair of branchial arteries. It means the blood is goes to the only gills. Where they are going, gills. Blood is supplied to the gills. So that's why the heart of the fishes is called as venous heart. Always the blood is only deoxygenated blood only received. Even a single time is also not received the oxygenated blood. So that's why fishes heart is called as venous heart. Venous heart. So like that, two chamber heart is present in the fishes. That is a single auricle, single ventricle. So auricle very thin layer is there, made by thin layer. Ventricle is very thick layers are present. So blood is collecting from different part of the animal body through a ductus cavarium. Ductus cavarium is directly communicated with the auricle. So auricles are recommunicate the ventricle through auriculoventricular aperture. They are also guarded by the wall. So when the ventricle is receive the blood, ventricle also reopen into the where in truncus arteriosus. Truncus arteriosus extend up to the continuation in the anterior part. So it completely truncus arteriosus supply blood to the vein, the gills. That is the fourth pair of gill, fifth pair of gill, third pair of gills, second pair of gills. Like that, all gills are received. So So now here important thing is only deoxygenated bed is collecting, only deoxygenated bed only distributing different part of the animal body. So that's why the heart of the feces is called as venous heart. Only always what kind of blood is circulating along with heart of the feces? Deoxygenated blood or impure blood only collecting, and also it is also called as bronchial artery. Why? Because blood is supplied to the gills only. That's why the feces heart is called as bronchial artery. So tomorrow discuss next topic. Thank you.